YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie. I am on Black Betty, and thanks for tuning in. So today, it's going to be probably a bit of a shorter video. Right now, I am on my way to Pottstown. I am going to the Sprint store to possibly upgrade my phone. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm going to see what they got, what they're offering price-wise, and this and that. See if I can haggle my way into a new phone. After that, I am going up to Reading to a co-worker's. He's got a little bit of a shindig going down. A bunch of other people from work are going to be there. So we're just going to chill out, have some fun, and have a good day. But of course, I have to get on the bike, I have to get some footage, and I have to get a vlog out for you guys. So that's what I'm doing. Why are you braking? God, people piss me off so much. Ay, ay, ay. Learn how to drive or send your license back to Walmart. So while I'm on the subject of people not knowing how to drive, I've been seeing a lot of stuff in the news lately about people on motorcycles getting into accidents. You know, whether it be a single accident where it's just a motorcycle rider, or an accident involving another rider, another driver, or what have you. And I just gotta say, you know, I don't really know the full extent of each and every one of these accidents, but one thing that is a proven fact is a majority of accidents involving a motorcycle and another type of vehicle, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be an issue regarding the other vehicle not seeing the motorcycle. And I gotta say, you know, being on a bike, it scares me a little bit. But at the same time, I know that as long as I focus on what I'm doing, it will turn out a lot better for me, especially wearing a helmet. That's one thing that I will never grow out of, wearing a helmet. I may change it up, I may get a different helmet, a different style, but I'll never get a helmet that will not protect me from head injury. So guys, I am on eBay as a seller, and I'm constantly looking for things to purchase, to resell, to make money on the side. I can't get enough of trying to make money. And I just recently had 2 listings removed from eBay after they were up for, oh god, they were up for a good 2 weeks. And I sold 54 items between the 2 listings within the 2 weeks. And then eBay removes my listing, stating that it violates one of their policies. So this frustrated me a lot because I bought a large quantity of these items off of another website to resell to make money, and I didn't even sell a quarter of everything I had, and they removed my listing. So I'm sitting on all this product that I had no way to sell, besides word of mouth, Facebook, and like Craigslist or something like that. Which, yeah, it'll kind of work, but it doesn't reach as broad of a spectrum as what eBay would. So that being said, I decided that I was going to build a website. So that is exactly what I did. I built a website. I used a free store creator designed it how I wanted to, added some of the products that I have so far, and got myself a domain name. So check that website out. It's called liquilot.com. I'll put it up here on the screen. Check it out. Always adding different things, always selling out of different things, so keep in mind I am still starting, so the stock quantity isn't that great. No judgments. See if I get the arrow. Nope. Doing 90. Oh, I love this bike so much. It just gets away from me sometimes. So I was talking to another manager at work, and we were talking about bikes, and he was telling me how he used to have a Harley back in the day. And I told him I was considering looking into getting a sport bike when I was due for you know, a new motorcycle, so to say. And he was like, no, don't do that. He knows me, he knows how I am. He's like, you're just gonna get yourself in trouble. He's like, man, I was just like you when I was younger. He said I had a Harley, and one of my buddies, we switched bikes for a weekend. And he said it was a what did he say it was? It was a Honda, it was a Gixxer, I think he said it was a Gixxer 1000. I forget exactly, I could be remembering somebody else, but anyway, point of the story, he said he had this bike, and he hopped on the road to go to work one morning, and he just started winding out gears, and like he did on his Harley. He said before he realized it, he thought he was doing about 70 mile an hour. He says he looks down at his speedometer read 130 mile an hour on a section of road that's rated at 45. I was like, oh God. And he says, yeah, I saw that and I slowed down. I'm like, yeah, this isn't for me. I said, oh man. And I said, you just didn't know, you weren't used to it. You gotta get used to it. He says, no, that was enough for me. I'm like, ah, oh, come on. But I mean, yeah, those sport bikes, they definitely got some boogie to them. That's for sure. That's why I wanted something. Even though I was going cruiser line, that's why I wanted something with a little more power. Party hardy, party hardy. I spy a beetle. Squash that bug. Oh, there's a popo over there. I better behave. Pottstown's finest. Right over there. Oh, there's two Pottstown's finest. Two of them. Better behave. I hate traffic. No matter what I'm in, no matter what I'm doing, I hate traffic. Why? I don't like just sitting around, especially on a bike. There is Sprint. We are hizzles. Ew. Ew. I thought I felt something sticky on my foot. There it is. Alright. Now we're Gucci. Alrighty guys, well, I did it. I upgraded. I went from an iPhone 6s Plus to the iPhone 8 Plus black. 'cause I'm free as a bird now. There's my old truck, little Dodge Dakota. That guy still has it. I miss that truck. It's a 94. It was a 94 Dakota, and it had, or I'm sorry, no, it was a 93 Dakota. That's right. It was 1 year prior to my birth year or so. So it was 93 Dakota. It was 2-wheel drive. It had the 5-speed manual with the 3.9 liter V6 in it. I loved that truck so much. So much. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. I gotta pee, 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 pee. I think the speed limit's like 35 through here. I forget. I think there was a sign back there. I didn't look at it though. Hey, buddy.
Look, they hear you.
I know. Oh, man.
Come on, man. Hold up, sir. Hold up, sir. Hold. Excuse me, sir. Let me touch your back real quick. License registration, please. Yo, I be like, yo, if I'm riding and driving and shit, and you got that shit, man, I be like,
I got a microphone in here.
Are you serious right now, man? Like, I be like,
I got a microphone in here.
I don't care, man. Recording all that shit. Are you serious?
Yeah, I do motovlogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got 4 up. This weekend's gonna be number 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit shorter one, but
I know.
wanna be on YouTube?
Counts though, right?
wanna be on YouTube?
Nah, me?
Yeah.
I'll be on YouTube.
I'll put you on YouTube.
For real?
If you want.
Put it on there.
All right.
It's all good, man. Do I get anything out of it though?
Huh?
You know, sharing my shit, do I get anything out of it?
Maybe.
That's what I'm talking about.
Time will tell.
Green. Money counts, man. Money counts.
Take care, man.
All right, man. Have a good night.
You too. Alrighty. Well, I'm on my way back now. had some fun, hung out with some people, some co-workers, met some new people, and now clouds are rolling in and start feeling some raindrops, so it's time to go. Time to head back. This is a really nice road. It's freshly blacktop. Lights out. Well, no rain yet, but it's alright though. We're gonna get home beforehand. Well, that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, it was going to be a short one, but don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified when my next video comes out. Hope you guys had fun. Peace.